Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Tap on Followers. Now tap on the profile of the follower that you want to remove. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of your screen. Select Block. Tap on Block. We don't have the feature to directly remove followers on Twitter. Once you are done blocking the user, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of your screen once again. Tap on Unblock. Select Unblock. Now you have successfully removed a follower from Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.